also a lily that Mum made. One of my favourite moments also was when Mum was on a seaplane. We went out on a seaplane, myself, Stephen, and we took her for a ride, and I turned around to have a look at Mum around the back, and then Mum was clutching on her bag for dear life. It was like, but she enjoyed every minute of that ride. It was a 15 to 10 minutes, I think. I'm not too sure, but it was a long time ago. But I'll never forget the look on Mum's face. It was thrilling and exciting. But she says, no more.
Hello, and my dad always called Nana, and Nana always say to me, hello, Siosi Molly, and I say hello back, and I love her and I miss her.
I love and miss Mum every day, and I miss her cooking, I miss her singing, her laughter, jokes, weaving, when she makes whalawa niu or gets ready for the omu early in the morning. She stays up late at night. One of the things I carry with me always is Mum's love, how she loves people. She always said, I love all my children, and so the way she loves everyone is something I carry with me. The scripture that I think of when I think of Mum is Colossians 3:14, which says, and above all these things put on love, which binds everything together in perfect harmony. Love you always, Mum.
Whakalofa to mga whaoa. So the memory I'd like to share about Nana was just having her there on my wedding day was an amazing experience. Just seeing her dance and sing and be happy and be joyous. That's something that I will never forget, and I feel very honored and blessed that she was able to be a part of our special day.
Whakalawhalahi atu tō whanau of her. I have a little collection here at the back of like these kind of creams and like Victoria's Secret ones. Perfumes, because Nana always had like 100. This color rubber band for some reason. I don't know, but like black ones, nah. But these ones, yes. And like Nana being like, you know, down with the youth, and I'd ask her like, how do you know? She's like, I know. So you know, and I miss hearing her laugh as well. So yeah, we come from a family of comedians, that's for sure. Anyways, love you guys. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Hello. One of my many favourite moments I remember with Nana was when I was teaching the Asda High School Niue group. I asked Nana for help, and she taught us a song, and it goes, Whakalofalahi atu mawhaneni, hamautu a niue whekai, gololongo fia fia hane whai, hawhanongo mai amotolu. Yeah, there's more, but I don't have time. And some things that will remind me of Nana on my everyday things I do. Dettol. That's a cheap one. The coffee sachets, strepsils, always in her trolley, apples, the honey and lemon lozenges. I actually only get these because they remind me of her. These pears, the brown pears, reminds me of her as well. And also the Jeremy Kyle show.
One of my most favourite memories, I hear over and over in my head all the time, is her laughing, her laugh itself, and especially at the moment. You know, we had the te kihi competition, and I was being a bit of an idiot, you know, bending down on one knee to accept the crown as the kihi champion. Just a reminder for everybody, but yeah, just hearing her laugh was a lot of joy for me, and it was a pivotal moment. Just knowing that She found the funny side of it and that she was enjoying herself. That day was all about her. Yep, hope everybody as well. And we miss you, Nana, and love you very much.
Hi, how you going? I love you, my darling family. Yes, so my darling mother, Liliani, I love her very much. And she is in my heart. What I love about my mum, firstly, she's so beautiful. She loved everyone. And that's all I can say. It's been a year since she passed. And I'm still gonna grieve, you know, because you can. But I love my mum.
When I lived with Nana and Granddad, I was running late for work, and I ran past Nana's bedroom to see if she was in there, but she wasn't. She was in the sitting room. And I said, "Oh, Nana, you're awake." She said, "Yeah, I know. Haha, I beat you." "Yeah, can you on the fire?" And so I was late, and I still made the fire.
Whakalofa fams, one of my favourite memories of Nana is when they came over for a holiday and with Heaven, and we were in the lounge watching The Simpsons on TV, and then Nana starts going off in Niue, and we turn around and look, she stopped, so we kept watching TV, and then Heaven comes in between me and Rob, and she's like, "Nana doesn't like watching The Simpsons." And then Heaven got jokingly told off because she wasn't supposed to translate. Another favourite memory is when Nana used to go for the kiss goodbye, and then she'd slide you the nose.
Thanks, Mum, for calling I'm the first monkey legs and you're the first Slim Jim. Love you forever.
Her warm hugs, and that's where I felt very comfortable with Nana. We're there, yep.
Like if any of us will go to New Zealand, we'll always go to her house first. Miss her just calling when she calls any of us. She has like a nickname. Essay! Yeah, that's one of my favourite ones.
My most memorable moment with Nana is when she taught my son to walk. She took her biscuit out of her biscuit jar and she held it up and he took his first 2 steps.
Heaps of good memories of Mum. Miss her heaps. I think she gave all of us just lots of things. You know, she was always open to everybody, gave us a home, gave us like laughter and cooked us heaps of food when we were actually didn't have any. We didn't realise that dough boys were just because we didn't have meat. But miss her heaps, and I'm wearing a pink cardigan because she always used to say, "Oh, just get me a cardigan." I said, "What colour?" "Pink," and I could never find a pink cardigan. But today I went in the shop and the first thing I saw was this pink cardigan. So, love you, Mum. See ya.
Love you, Nana. Bye.
Love you, Nana.
Miss you, Nana.
Thank you, Nana, for like making me happy and laugh every time I see you and you say, "Oi, who's that? Is that the Maoli?" Like, that always cheer me up. Love you, miss you forever, and yeah.
Whakalofa, I just want to share my favourite memory of Nana was when we visited them in New Zealand, and I was sitting at Nana's feet with Ariana and Gabby, my children, and my beautiful little brother Siosi, and yeah, that's my favourite memory for sure. Thank you very much. Ko kia.
Whakalawhalatu family. My memory of Nana was when I was going to college. So I'd always go to Nana's house after school, and I'd always be there sitting, watching TV, listening to her music. I always go hug and kiss her. And I always insist me to go eat, so I would say, no, I'm okay. I'm not hungry. She goes, Monkey legs, go eat. Have something to eat. It's biscuits. No, that's alright. And I always insisted, so I end up going and have something to eat. Come back, and then me and Nana just watch TV until I go home. And my other memory of Nana was when I didn't go see her for a while, and I'll hug and kiss her, and she would always give me a smack because I didn't go and see her. So yeah, there's my memories of Nana, and I love you, Nana.
Morning all. My memory of Nana was when I first met her as Honky's wife and her meeting Lee Ray for the very first time, and all he did was cry. But she loved him nonetheless, like she loved all her grandchildren. Thank you for letting us be a part of your family.
A big shout out to her mother. 12 months ago today she decided to move on. I just thought I'd share with you that 12 months ago on the morning where Leighton decided he gets picked up to go to daycare, and on that morning was his birthday, so big happy birthday to Leighton. And then on that morning where he walked past Mum's room, Mum's eyes lit up. She was non-coherent that morning, and then she opened her eyes up, yelled out to Leighton and gave him a big kiss and a hug, and off he went to school. But little did he realise that later on that morning what was about to happen. But yeah, big shout out to Mum. Yeah, 12 months later, we're all making the special foods. I'm doing the banana cake and corned beef rolls, and yeah, I'm looking forward to getting out there and celebrating Mum's 12 months. Big shout out to everyone, and have a good day. Bye, siblings.
One thing I really miss about Nana is how she always used to ask how I was, how my rugby was going, how my dad is, and how my siblings were. I love you for that, Nana, and I miss you.
Mum told me that this had to be a 30-second to a minute video, so I'm really sad that I didn't get to make memories with you guys and thinking about you guys. I love you all, but I really wish I made memories with you guys and, like, you know, had a whole bunch of fun with you guys and came up, you know, before she died. Like, yeah, like, I really just, really sad, like, you know, like, wish I made memories with you. I'm always thinking about you, I always love you, and, you know, like, ta-ha!
Remember Mum making her takihis, and she's a champion of making the takihi, weaving, what else? Just doing all those things. Mum's the best. If someone says, if one of the siblings goes and tell Mum that, oh, someone else is making some coconut bread, Mum will go, yeah, where did I learn how to make the coconut bread? Meaning that she's the only one she is good at making coconut bread, which is fine. That's what I like about Mum. She always sticks up for herself. She's the best of making anything. And yeah, and Mum, I know Mum loves each and every one of us, each and every one. Even if a lot of us will give her a headache, she still loves us. That's what Mum, the parents are for.
happy.